Welcome to NETC Library's tutorial on using the Library Catalog and Periodical Index. The National Emergency Training Center Library is home to a comprehensive collection of materials relating to the fire service, to EMS, emergency management, and other all-hazard subjects. You can access the catalog from anywhere, not just the library, but also from home. In the library catalog, you can find journal articles, books, DVDs, and papers written by National Fire Academy students and Emergency Management Institute students. In this tutorial, we will cover simple searches, locating materials, borrowing through interlibrary loan, and advanced searching. Simple searches. You access the catalog through the library homepage. Scroll down to the center. If I want to search for works by author David Donahue, I can do so from here. The results tell you what materials by David Donahue are available in the library. You'll see that the library has EFO papers, journal articles, and a book. Several items also have co-authors. In addition, search results are divided by topic, by publication date, and in some cases by geographic region. Locating materials. Online resources like this will have a link. Simply click on the link and read the material. For sources that aren't available online, like this, click on the title to get to the catalog record. At the bottom of the catalog record, you'll see that the item is available and that it's located in the journal room. If you're on campus, you can simply head to the journal room and copy or scan the article. Other items, like books and DVDs, may be checked out from the library when you're on campus. Borrowing through interlibrary loan. Off-campus users will have to go through interlibrary loan in order to access some library materials. To do this, simply visit your local library, any library where you have borrowing privileges, and bring a printout of our catalog record. Your library will contact us. We act on your request 24 to 48 hours after receiving it, and you may borrow the item for 1 month. Advanced searching. You can go to the advanced search by clicking on the advanced search link, or you can go directly to the URL. The advanced search offers many options. You can add terms and choose which types of terms to search. You can limit by item type, such as book, journal, or DVD. You can limit by collections, such as student papers, grants, or scholarly articles, or you can limit by publication date. The more you refine your search, the fewer results you will see. You can use advanced search when you really want to home in on your topic. Advanced search has a drop-down menu that allows you to search for specific types of terms, such as subject. This allows you to focus your search. Let's try a subject search for community risk reduction. That search returns 466 results. Pretty broad. I'll add the term cooking fires. Now I have a much more manageable 13 results. You can also limit by date. Here I've chosen the subject community risk reduction, but I only want to see everything that's been published since 2016. Now I've cut the search results in half. As we showed you earlier in the simple search, you may also use the filters on the left-hand side of the search result page to further refine your search. You can always contact us if you have a question or a concern.